Hey, it's Steve Sparky Pfeiffer from the Wendy's Big Show. You listen to us on the Big Show Radio Network. Gary Ellerson and Leroy Butler and myself. We're in a collision center. No, seriously, look around. I mean, you can see we're at Van Horn Ford Kia. And yes, they have a collision center. In fact, they have 3 collision centers across the state in Plymouth, Manitowoc, and here in Sheboygan. And this one's the biggest. And I'm not by myself. I have the manager with me, Crystal, who's here as well. Crystal, tell us all about the collision center and all the things you guys offer.
The Collision Center offers many things. Well, all we need is a claim number. We get the process rolling. It's little work that you have to do on your own. We do major, minor repairs, framework. If you need something else done to your vehicle while it's here getting done, maybe there's a small scratch or a dent, you need a paintless dent removal, we can do that. If you need an oil change, we can do that. We have certified techs. All of our technicians at the body shop are certified. At the end, we have late night hours for people to pick up in the evenings till 8 o'clock. So, or Saturday pickup if somebody can't get to here by 5 o'clock. So
yeah, that's awesome. That's good stuff. And you do photo estimates too, right?
We do. We do photo estimates. We have that on our website. You take photos. We'll get you an estimate and get it back to you.
So example, my kid who dropped his bike and scratched the side of the car, I could just take a photo and you guys could give me an ID.
We could, yes. Yeah.
Hey, this is the place to go in Sheboygan. Van Horn has 3 different collision centers around the state connected to dealerships. So you, again, like Crystal said, have direct access to everything that you need without having to worry about some random Joe guy having to order from somewhere else. Everything comes directly here. This is why you come to Van Horn each and every day of the week. Buy a car, buy a used car, service, and collision right here at Van Horn.